What's up, Millionaire Agents? This is Jason Wardrop, and I just wanted to shoot this video really quick and share with you guys a cool strategy that has been working amazingly well. I've talked about it time and time again before, but in case you haven't seen this, if you missed it, I just wanted to share with this. This is something that Ashley, who's a realtor out in Memphis, she used to book over 50 in-person appointments without ever having to pick up the phone and make a phone call, right? And then also Thomas, I was just talking to, I think just a couple days ago, and he was able to use this last week. He was having trouble like pre-qualifying and closing his leads. He implemented the strategy and within 6 days was able to have a $14,000 commission check while spending just $120 on ads. Okay, and then I just was talking to Chad Christensen, who's a realtor here in Utah, has been having amazing success, and he started implementing this. So guys, this is really catching on. This has been really big. So what it is once you have a post on Facebook or Instagram, wherever it might be, they click out to your landing page or your lead form, whatever you're using, and then they're going to put in their name, phone number, and email address. Okay, so typically we kind of have had on that thanks page where it says, hey, check your email for the details. I just shot them over to you. Okay, well, ideally we want to get them on a phone call with us, right? So there's going to be two things that we're going to do on this thank you page right here. So number one, we're going to have on the text immediately, it says, and I'm actually going to jump here on the computer in just a second towards the end of this video and show you guys how to set this up with Arsenal, all right? So first and foremost, you can say, if it's for a listing, let's say, hey, to schedule a time to go see this home, give me a call at, and then have your phone number, okay? Because then they can pick up the phone right away, give you a call. That person is super hot, all right? And then number two is you say, call me at my number to schedule a showing, or if you don't have time to call right now, click below to schedule a phone call with me. Okay, so then we're gonna have them click the button below, and it's gonna kick them out to a free app that we use. It's called Calendly, and so I'll pull that up and show you guys how to use that. But basically, it syncs in with your Google Calendar. It syncs in with Outlook. It syncs in with whatever calendar that you use. And that person, they put in their name, phone, email. They click on that, and then they can go through and say whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever day, so you can set the time that you're available. So let's just say you're only available for phone calls, new appointments, all that stuff, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 to 11 in the morning. Okay, so in Calendly, you just set that up, and then once you go through and set that up, then what you can do is link that to that thank you page. They can click it, and once they book a new appointment, you can grab their name, phone number, and email. Again, it's going to go directly to your calendar and directly onto their calendar, and it's going to send a notification and a reminder to both of you guys so that no one forgets about this appointment. All right, and so this has been working amazingly well, because just think about it, like, if you get 100 leads coming in, it's really tough to know which ones are going to be the most qualified. And like, let's get it, you're super busy, you want to spend time with clients in homes, showing homes, meeting with them one-on-one personally. And if you just spend all your time on the phone, it really makes it hard to grow your business. Okay, so anyway, guys, this is a strategy that I would highly recommend implementing using the Arsenal MKG software, using Calendly, combining the two together, auto booking, auto scheduling your appointments. And Arsenal MKG at this point, it becomes like your personal automated assistant. Okay, it automatically books appointments for you so you don't have to. It automatically follows up with your appointments so you don't have to. It automatically notifies you and your leads about these appointments, and so you don't have to. And so it's like, instead of hiring an assistant for $3,000 a month or whatever it might be, literally you could just use Arsenal and set everything up just one time, and then all the automations in place to help you grow your real estate business. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'll jump on really quick onto the computer, and I'm gonna show you guys some of these things of how to put this in action and really make it work for your business. All right, guys, here we are on Arsenal MKG's dashboard. And so we're gonna go through and set this all up exactly what I was just talking about. And then here is that Calendly app. So you can see calendly.com. So that is where we're gonna go, and then just sign up. It's a free account, 100%. It connects with your Google, your Gmail account. And then you can go through. I'm not going to go through all the training videos on this, on how to do that, because they have them, so we don't need to do that. Okay, so what we're going to do, so this is your typical landing page right here. They come in, they click from Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is. they click schedule your showing, put in their contact info, and they hit the next page, which is the thank you page, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come into the website editor and click edit, and then on the thank you page right here, so we can just easily toggle back and forth between these two. And look, I actually already set this up right here, guys. Okay, so we could say thanks for your interest, or let's just change this up right here really quick. Let's say to schedule an appointment immediately, call me at, and then you put in your phone number, whatever it is, 1 2 3 4. Okay, or then we can put or click the button below to schedule your showing. So and then they click schedule your showing, and then what we do is we just take this link right here. So when they click on this link, it pops up, and this is just a demo one, but I've got it, so I'm open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Fridays are off. And then if you go here, click on Monday, I got 10 a.m., 10:30, Tuesday to 10 a.m. Because what happens is if you book an appointment in your calendar, it automatically picks that up. And so see, this is 9 a.m., 9:30, so automatically picks it up, and so it's only going to schedule and show when you're actually available. Okay, so if we come back here, we grab this link right here, we copy and paste it inside this area right here, and we hit publish. And now let's just run through this process really quick, guys. Like this is super easy to go through, set up, and make. And so we're going to come back here to the main area. This is the website that we popped up. So we click on schedule your showing, we put in Jason at demo.com. Just throw in a phone number for right now for this purposes. Hit submit. They come to schedule an appointment immediately. Call me at 888-555-1234, or click the button below to schedule your showing. So they're like, okay, I can either call right now, or if they don't have time, if they're kind of like on the run or whatever, they can just click schedule your showing. It comes directly to the calendar. They click on that, and let's say they want to book it on Thursday at 9:30 a.m. They hit confirm, put in their contact info, and schedule the event. All right, so from here, it's going to notify you, it's going to notify them, and you're all set up, ready to go. And that is how people have been seeing amazing conversions and being able to pre-qualify and sort these leads without ever having to pick up the phone and basically auto book all of these appointments. All right, so anyway, guys, I'll add a link right below to where you guys can get your free 14-day trial to Arsenal. If you guys don't already have it, go through, start implementing this. This has been huge, been very, very helpful to a number of our users. So I highly recommend going through and implementing this for your business.